Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your business WhatsApp setup to Twilio, full guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring your business WhatsApp setup to Twilio, ensure you have access to both your WhatsApp business account and your Twilio account. First, log into your WhatsApp business account through the app or website. Next, navigate to your account settings to retrieve your account information. Document your business number and any relevant details you may need during the transfer. Now, visit the Twilio website and log into your Twilio account, or create one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, go to the messaging section in the Twilio console. Here, select Try It Out and then choose Send a WhatsApp message. Follow the prompts to set up WhatsApp messaging through Twilio. You will then need to apply for a WhatsApp Business API account by providing required business information. Fill out the requested application form, ensuring that you enter your business number accurately. Submit the form and expect approval from WhatsApp, which may take some time. Once approved, return to your Twilio console to set up WhatsApp messaging features. Navigate to the WhatsApp section and select Settings. Here, you must link your approved WhatsApp business number to your Twilio account. Follow the instructions to configure your messaging settings, including sender information. Next, set up a webhook URL in Twilio to receive incoming messages from WhatsApp. To do this, go to the Phone Numbers section and select your WhatsApp-enabled number. Enter the webhook URL in the available field to ensure you can manage incoming messages. Now, test your configuration by sending a message from your WhatsApp business number to your Twilio number. Monitor the Twilio console for incoming messages to verify that everything is functioning correctly. Finally, update your marketing materials and inform customers about your new WhatsApp contact through Twilio. Make sure to monitor and respond to messages to maintain customer engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.